Do you want to live a healthy life? If so, you're in the right place. Living a healthy lifestyle is not just about exercising regularly or getting enough sleep, it also hinges on what you eat. Diet plays a pivotal role in determining our overall health and well-being. In this video, we will guide you through a simple, easy-to-follow diet plan that can make a significant difference in your life. Ready to start your journey towards a healthier you? Let's dive into the diet plan. The first step towards a healthy life is understanding what a healthy diet looks like. Let's break down the diet plan into easy, manageable steps. The goal here is not to overwhelm you, but to arm you with the knowledge to make healthier choices. Firstly, we have fruits and vegetables. These are nature's multivitamins, packed with essential nutrients that our bodies need. They're low in calories, high in fiber, and can be consumed in large amounts without tipping the scale. Aim to fill up half your plate with these vibrant foods. Next, lean proteins. They're the building block of your body, essential for muscle growth and repair. Include foods like chicken, fish, eggs, and beans in your diet. Plant-based proteins like lentils and tofu are also excellent choices. Then we have whole grains, your body's primary energy source. Foods like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole grain bread are high in fiber and keep you feeling full longer. They also help stabilize your blood sugar levels, warding off those pesky energy crashes. Finally, healthy fats. These are found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. They're essential for brain health and help absorb other nutrients. Don't be afraid of the word fat. It's all about choosing the right kinds. Remember, it's not about completely eliminating certain foods, but about balance and moderation. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Mix and match these food groups to create your meals. Now that we understand the basics, there are a few do's and don'ts to keep in mind. Portion control is crucial. It's not just about what you eat, but how much you eat. Overeating, even healthy foods, can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Staying hydrated is another must-do. Water aids digestion, keeps your skin glowing, and helps your body function at its best. Aim for 8 glasses a day, but remember, your needs may vary depending on your activity levels and climate. Avoiding processed foods is another key to a healthy diet. These foods often contain additives and high levels of salt and sugar. Instead, focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. And above all, maintain a balance. It's not necessary to completely eliminate any food group unless medically necessary. Remember, a healthy diet isn't about restrictions, but about making better food choices. Let's recap the key points of our healthy diet plan. We've explored the importance of maintaining a balanced diet, which means including all food groups in your meals. This ensures you get all the essential nutrients your body requires. We've also touched upon the significance of variety. It's crucial to mix up your food choices within each food group to ensure you're not missing out on any vital nutrients. Don't limit yourself to the same fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy products. Moderation is another key element we've emphasized. While it's essential to eat a diverse range of foods, it's equally important to control portion sizes to avoid overeating. We encourage you to start your journey towards a healthier lifestyle today. Remember, it's not about drastic changes overnight. It's about making simple, sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle one day at a time. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to a healthier life. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. So take your time and enjoy the process.